students, today we will see our next chapter, that is significance and sources of values and ethics. As we know, the human values are very important for our surviving of life. So, as the money is important, as the daily needs are very important, so for the surviving in the society, these values and ethics are the lighting path mentioning the ways to you how you have to behave in the society. Okay. So, now we will see what the significance are there if you follow the values and ethics, and what the sources are there which will provide you these values and ethics. Okay. So, now we will see the next slide, that is significance of human values. So, human values, it is the central concept for the social sciences, and as the social sciences has developed, the values and ethics, this word we listen or learn day by day. So, these values may be taught by or taught by anyone, your small kid also which is in your family, sometimes the elder one who is very known to you, but everyone says that that person or that guy is very good for the treating to others, he is very nice for the others, for giving a good respect to them. So, these are the ways, that ways we can identify the people who are really good for you as an enlightening path. Okay. So, the human values play a vital role in the society, and for that we said that the basis of human beings for leading a better life, it creating a new path to you, that on which you can start your journey and you can help to others, or you can take the help from others if you are good for them. The importance of values is frequently cited in relation to the regional, national and global problems. How? See, whenever the region is divided at that time, though they are divided in a different regions, but they felt that the cooperation should be on the border lines. Next, as the nation, though our nation is connected with the other countries as like Japan, so they also need a cooperation with us, and we made some MOUs to giving a good cooperation to them in the science and technology, in the education field, in the medicine field. Okay. So, these MOUs developed for the memorizing of the understanding. So, memorandum of the understanding means what? That memorandum given you opportunity that by some common clause are there, and with the common clause which you both as in a country will follow and cooperate to each other. Okay. Next, the global problems. What the global problems are there? So many are there. Currency problems are there, job problems are there, security problems are there. Who are living in their countries, that securities, and who are living in our countries, their member, their citizens. So, these cooperation required, and only with these human values are giving you a good guidance how you should be a good person for the others. It is also criticizing the value free approaches to the research fulfillment. Value free approaches means what? We are not following any values, not like that. It is very important that we have to follow the value, and also with the values we have to follow the research what we need to do in the respective areas. Okay. So, the value free approaches are always available, but if you follow the values and if you cooperate to others, really it works. Next, it is also important in the cultural development are the central to conquer the preservation of cultural heritage. As you have to preserve, you have to conserve your culture, at that time if you have followed your values as an respect to other person, truth to other person, speaking only truth, not having any lying in between your any business matters or in your relations, in your family, in your colleagues, in your friends. These are very important. Also, the value education starts from the families and it is continuous to the your school with the help of the your educators. So, no one just tell us that I have learned everything only from my family. No, the teachers are also a path for you, giving a guideline about your career, and here how you have to follow the rules and regulations, how you have to follow your culture of your college, how you have to give the good existence to your colleagues and your roommates for the development of their personality. So, here you are very free to give your knowledge to others, and these are the significance that we are ready to learn from observation of the other people. Which points are good in their personality, that only we have to accept, and what are the wrong points are there which you think that this is the wrong, you just point it out it, and you should not to go with that path, just choose the good qualities from every person. Next, these are the significance which are very important for us when we are following the values. Now, the philosophers have discerned or identify the forms or types of the values. First one, the intrinsic or inherent value, second instrumental value, and third one is relation value. So, as the intrinsic value, it terminology gives you that these are the inherent in our personality. Instrumental value means which are around us, that values we have to follow, and relational values means where the needed to develop the good relations with your country, with your family member, with your colleagues, that values are very important. So, the next, how could you say that, or how could you just discriminate about the inherent values or intrinsic values? What are that? See, the intrinsic values are the affiliation towards your family members, towards your colleagues, to have the satisfying relationship with the family and friends. Next, intrinsic value should be in your mind or should be in your personality, that is self acceptance. The self acceptance about the situation, to feel the competent and acceptable for the every situation. Do not deny, because when you learn to accept the situations, you will start to learn how to fight, how to find the solutions. Okay. Next, community feeling. So, the community we feeling should be developed. So, with the we feeling, you will improve the world through the activism or socially creative projects. So, if you accept these projects for the development of the society, for the development of your community, that way feeling will really helps you to develop your good intrinsic values and good inherent values, that should be developed. Next, benevolence. So, the benevolence means what? The presenting and enhancing the welfare of those with one who is frequent personal contact with them. That benevolence, that we-ness, feelingness means someone should be in our group, and that in group situation, that in group feelings is always creating a good confidence. See, many times we are not accepting some people in our group when we are chit-chatting, when you are college, when you are out of your school. At that time you have different groups, and in that group some people are avoided by yourself, but other members may like them. So, if they entered, immediately you are starting to leave that group, or just you leave that group immediately for a while, that as the that person has come in that sphere. Why it happens? Because you don't like that person in your group when he entered or when she entered. So, this is not a good thing. You should accept the things what are coming towards you, just find out the good, and whatever the wrong things are there, just leave it again immediately. That benevolence you have to develop for your group, that members. Universalism. So, what is the universalism? That is the universally, as we have to accept the everything. The animals are there, the children are there, the orphanage are there. So, the orphans people or that children's, they never have their parents. So, it is our responsibility that once in a year, at least on your birthday, at least you have to give a good happiness to others, that they will also feel the feeling about the country, about the society, because sometimes they feel that we are abundant, and with this inherent value they cannot live very well. So, it is our responsibility as a good person, as a good citizen, we have to give the good understanding to people, good cooperation to the people, good tolerance to the every situation, because every situation will not helps you as you think. It will adverse for your nature, for your personality, for your country, but you should be a very positive attitude or universalism you have to make in your mind. That inherent values we have to develop. Okay. Next we will see that with the extrinsic values. So, what the extrinsic values are there? Means which are used to your values as per the out of your box. That the some values are very fit with the other people. So, at that time what do you feel that? Yes, I can manage with everyone. What the situations are there, I will manage it and I will just mix up with the others. Second very important extrinsic value should be there, that is the image. What image you have created in the personal, your society or your community or your family. See, some people says that this my child is very happily enjoyed every situation and just involved with everyone, involved with every people and helping to everyone. So, that image is always giving you a guidance that yes, I am a acceptable person in the society. Okay. So, that image we have to develop, because with the cooperation you will have a good image, and with the non cooperation, with the quarrels, you will not have a good image. So, that we have to make very well. Again, your personality always makes you a good image in the society. So, with your body language, with your clothing, with your gestures, you should be very well mannered, and that is your extrinsic value. How you are looking, how you are talking with others, how you are treating to others. Next, financial success. See how you are very wealthy, how you are materialistically you are strong, and if you are very strong then you can help to others. So, that also we have to develop. Next, achievement personal success through the demonstrating competence according to the social standards. So, what the achievement we have done in our life, that makes very difference than the other people. You are awarded with the PhD degree, you are awarded with the anyone award for the success in the any farming activities, farming startups. So, that is your achievement, and it looks towards the other people that how they are different than you and how you are different than people. They will take the a good guidance from your that achievement, they will come to you, discuss with you, and they need a cooperation from you. So, these extrinsic values we have to develop. Next, that is the powers. Yes, the social status and prestige and control or the dominance over the other people are, these are the resources some resources persons are there. So, they are always having a likewise they are helping to others, and this intrinsic value also very important, how you are having the powers. So, why the other people will contact to you and come to you for the guidance? If you are very knowledgeable person, then they will identify you immediately, and other people may, so many people are coming to you and taking guidance, other also will come, though they are new to you, but they come and take the guidance from you. So, this givingness, this is the a great extrinsic value, that values we have to learn in this way. Okay. So, the next, that is the intrinsic value. How could you just identify? The concept fittings favored by the G. E. Murray and appropriateness by the Breneto. So, how the intrinsic values are very fitted to us or very appropriate to us. So, this concept given by the G. Murray and appropriate is given by the Breneto. So, how they are telling us that these are the intrinsic values? These are the particular person is intrinsically good for the thing, for the any one person, for themselves, or it is originates within them only. Okay. So, the intrinsic values means what? What the qualities you have that developed in your behavior, in your personality, these are the intrinsic values. So, these values confers on itself by desiring its own lived experience and in itself. Okay. So, the how it ends, when your experiences are over, these intrinsic values are developed a good experiences to you, that in the next situation same which the points we have done, what the wrong things we have done, we have to avoid it. This experience you have got. Intrinsic values always giving you a good experiences, that how the situations are there and how you tackled. These experiences develops your intrinsic values. Next, intrinsic value exists wherever the self evaluating being exists. Means no one can judge your things. At the same time, you should not to compare your life with the others, because this comparison never have the same situation for the others to whom you are comparing. They have their problems, they have their own situations. So, what the correct situations you have, what the problems you have, find it on your solution. You have to depth in find the solutions. Search it, learn it yourself, what the qualities I have and how can I respond. That is the life stances and extrinsic values. What are the life situations are handled by you that develop your extrinsic values. That is, hedonism means the pleasure you got, hedonism means human flourishing, utilitarianism means utility, how the classic and usually you are using the utilities. Next, the national deontologism means virtues or duties, how you are following the duties for the society, for the any activities you are doing, that also create your intrinsic values. Next, the intrinsic value term is used in axiology, a branch of philosophy that studies the values including both ethics and aesthetics. So, this axiology is always having a branch of the that intrinsic values are derived from this axiology branch. The concept is characterized as something has itself or for its own sake, as such its own right. Okay. So, the intrinsic values is always developed within yourself, for your sake, what you are thinking, as per like that your intrinsic values developed. Okay. So, the traditionally it understood that it refers to the particular way of being non-derivatively good. Non-derivatively good means what? Every time you are not having a good decisions, but what the experiences you got, that you will learn. So, that is your intrinsic values, how you are behaving for yourself for your own sake. Next, the value of an entity as merely means to the end. At the end point, how you are behaving with others. It means by which we achieve our end goals and is also called as the terminal value. So, the instrumental value means what? At the end of your every values, at the every activity, how you are ending. Really, have you got the success? Have you got any problems? So, these are the instrumental values. That instrumental value always you can call as an terminal values. For example, the family, security, national security and salvation. So, these are the examples of the instrumental value. The philosopher Anjan Chakravarti argued that the instrumental value is only legitimate when it produces good scientific theories and compatible with the intrinsic truth of mind and dependent on the reality. Means at the end of your activity, how you have ended a good achievement or a end goal have you achieved or not, that depend on your instrument value. So, the good scientific theories you have to use as per your mind supports you, that reality you have to find out. The philosopher Jacques Ellul argued that the instrumental value has become completely contaminated by the human technological consequences and must be subordinated to the intrinsic supernatural values. Means what? The philosopher has given a guidance to us that instrumental values is always completely pressurized or completely combined with the human technological consequences. What the human have faced the situation, on that basis they develop their own path, and at the end they will receive the good ends or sometimes they lost their path. Okay. So, these values means how the experiences you got, that entirely you have to develop for the achieve to your goals, that use the path and then you can decide the path for the next way. And sometimes some people says that this is not a good suggestion for you, but just see what can helps to you. And if it is not good for your family, it is not good for your nation, then again you are choosing this path. At the end, what the help? Nothing is there, you will lose your all contacts. For example, some Naxalites are there, they do not want to go with the path, they want a peace, they want a peace for their family, they want a peace for their nation, but again due to some other consequences they again choose this wrong path, and that instrumental values are against goes to their nation. So, it is not a good. What we have to choose, it should be suited to your security, your family security, your national security, and it should not to be go for anyone's salvation. Next, the relational value. These are the arise from a relationship with the nature encompasses with the sense of place, feelings of well-being, mental and physical health, and the cultural, community and personal identities. So, that are the relational for your all things, for your family, for your feelings of the about the nation, about the culture, about the personal identity. So, these are always relate to your all your personality also and your country also. So, this relationship develop with the your nature, your culture, your community. This is the relational value, how you are supporting your that country, how you are supporting to your culture. You have follow your all traditions. Why? Because you have the relational values about your tradition, about your country, about your region. So, you have followed it. Otherwise, At the when some people are just being a residents of anyone other countries, they have not followed the rules and regulations or the traditions from their own countries where they have born and brought up. It's not good. You have to stick up with your relational values because you have relatively connected with your country. You are born and brought up from this country. It is extent to which are feels valued by the important for others. So, when you are feeling that this is the relation with my country and me, because it is a mental and physical health, it's dependent on your mental and physical health. If you think you are like that connected, you will follow the relational values. If you feel valued in all those areas, you almost certainly experiencing a state of high psychological well-being. According to the unified theory, the relational value organizes and guides in the every relationships. So, it is very important. You should be feel connected, you should be feel related. The social psychologist Mark Leary has explicitly coined the term that is the relation value. So, the relational value and has argued that it is the root of self esteem, because if you are connected with your nature, if you are connected with your country, with your family, with your community, it really helps to you increase your confidence. Yes, I am a good person and I am doing good for my country, my community. So, you will get the appreciated from your community and that creates your self esteem. Okay. So, this is about the significance of values, human values. Now, we will see the sources of human values. So, what are the sources? Values of people, their roots in the numerous aspects of the contemporary society, and these are the four sources of the human values. First one is the family, second school, third state and fourth one the religion. So, how the family is helping you to earn your human values? Your grandma, your parents, your elder brother, your sister, younger sister. So, these people are basically helping you to find out your relationship with your family member, and they are teaching you that you should be connected with your family. You should be learn the situations and you have to experiences some bad and good experiences with the help of your family members. They never leave you alone. At the school, your teachers are teaching you how to behave with others, how to conduct anyone taught with others at the professionally. Next, at the state level, you know that the every state is giving a good respect to their boundaries and peoples. They have accepted their cultures, and when they are celebrating the occasions, at that time they are inviting to others. So, that relativeness they have developed, and as the religions, though the religions are different, but again they are coming together and follow the all occasions. So, these human values teaching you basically how you should be a good person for your life and your country. So, according to M. Aralambos, a value is a belief that something is a good and desirable for your country and for your life. As we discussed, the family is a great source of values. A child learns his first value from his family. Peers and nears, community, society also teach the lessons to them. What are the good values? What are the good rules and regulations for them? Schools, as the teacher introduces the human values to the pupils, the every situational activities happened, the examples changed for the better understanding, and that examples teaches them that how to be a good person. As the state, the every state and country has their own values on the basis of the occasions and situations as they handled. Likewise, really we have followed the all rules and regulations which is given by our country, given by our state to face these pandemic situations in the universe. So, this is also a great example of the good human values we have followed. As the religion, it teaches to every human beings through the customs and traditions, taboos, rituals for doing the best preaching to the god and goddesses to avoid the act of gods. Some people say that if I am not offering the coconut, God will just angry on me. It's not like that, but by offering the coconut, you are just giving the guidance, just giving the assurance to the God that yes, I am here, and you are just distributing that coconut to everyone who are maybe hungry, they will eat it and give a good response to you. So, this is not like the just having a just following the customs and traditions, it teaches you every each and a single activities, and that activities when you follow you will get the good self esteem and good willingness about the country and about the relatives and about the your community. So, here we have just finished the significances of the human values and sources of human values. In the next class, we will see the sources and significance of ethics. Thank you.